Ever thought about shopping secondhand but weren't sure where to start? Vinted just made the whole process easier than ever. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to buy on Vinted in 2025. Step by step, beginner friendly, and super quick. Let's get into it. First, open the Vinted app or head to their website. On the homepage, you'll see a search bar and a bunch of categories: clothes, shoes, accessories, home items, even vintage gems. You can type in exactly what you're looking for or just browse until something catches your eye. Once you find an item you like, tap it to open the listing. Take a good look at the photos, scroll through the description, and check for details like size, condition, and any notes from the seller. If anything isn't clear, maybe you want to confirm a measurement or ask about where, just message the seller directly. Most sellers reply fast, and asking questions can save you from surprises later. When you're ready to buy, just hit buy now. Vinted will walk you through payment and you can choose what's easiest: card, Apple Pay, Google Pay, or even your Vinted wallet balance if you've sold something before. After you place your order, the seller has a few days to ship. You'll get push notifications and tracking updates automatically, so you always know where your package is and when to expect it. One of the best parts about buying on Vinted is the safety system. Your money doesn't go straight to the seller. Instead, Vinted holds it until the item arrives and you confirm everything looks good. If there's ever an issue, you're protected, and that's it. Simple, fast, and secure. Once you try buying on Vinted, you'll see why so many people love thrifting this way. If this helped, feel free to check out my other guides, and happy Vinted hunting.